business monkey. Nothing's funny. Big business monkey. Everything is money. He sold cheeseburgers with their cashier's smile. Runs his house like a McDonald's manager. And the only jokes he knows are the ones that'll put you down. Big business monkey. He'll take over the world. And you can have it now, but you can't take it with you. And everything that you cling to will rot. And everything you do will be forgot by everyone you ever tried to impress.